Okay, we've got a Goldwall top security steel padlock. It's a rekeyable lock. It is locked. I don't have the keys for this lock. I actually bought this lock without the keys from a local hardware store where the guy thought I was quite crazy buying a lock with no keys, but hey, you know, that's how it goes. I'm going to be using top of the keyway tension and a medium hook pick, and although it does say top security on the lock, as I pick through it I've found that all the pins are regular pins, so it's just a case of finding the right tension and the binding order. And there it is.